21-20 in favor of this side of the court. Okay, last 8 minutes. 21-20. Carl, pass to Madrigal. Uy, hindi ako tingin. Sayang, chance ball. Arellano, 3v1. Nice pass, nice shot. 22-21, change table. Going hard. Top board is good. Steal. No good, too strong. Offensive rebound. 5. 2 points. Step back. Follow up. 25-22. Okay, 24-25. Uy! Next game natin ulit mga seniors muna. Number 1, 3-pointer, short, coast to coast. Nice, slow step. 25-24. Next game kayo kaya yung first game kanina. 2 points by Jester. Change favor. Palitan lang tayo ng favor. Put back. 2 points. 27-26. Sembrano. Hey! Shooter. Madrigal. Crossover. Oh my goodness. Discolored. 6 minutes 27. Tapla. 2 points. 30-27 in favor of the defensive team. Uy, Diaton. 6 minutes and 24. Next game natin, yung mga unang naglaro kanina. Yung mga unang naglaro kanina. Ito muna. 3 points. Number 20. Kung siya namin. 3 points. 3 points. All 33. 32-33. Okay, 32-30. 6 minutes. Crossover. Power moves. Number 1. Pass to Jester. Good, good. 3-pointer. Shot. Bakit pinagaro lang si Erin doon? 5 minutes, 32 seconds. Okay, 4-point lead. 4-point lead. Number 1, 2 points. Number 22, long three. No good. Pantagdag na naman. Number 1, side step. Nice shot. 36-30. Nice pass. 2 points. 32-36. 4-point lead. Offensive team. Oy! 2 points. 38-32. 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Layup. No good. Number 18. Pass to Jester. 2-pointer. No good. Carl. Number 22. 3-pointer. It's good for Kuya Orange Shoes. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 38-35. Number 18. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. 18, side step. Number 1. Nice move. 2 points. 40-35. Yun! Just good. The first dunk at this Pataris. 40-37. 3 minutes 34. 2 points by Justin. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. 42-37. Tasha. Number 18. Nice pass. Oops. Lost it. Number 22, pass to Madrigal. Crossover. Uy! Hilo shot! Fadeaway shot by Madrigal. Sampamigit. 39-32. Break. Number 18, no good. Just ganun. Parang ano papadaan lang si Kuya galing sa ano. Nice fake. Nice finish, number 22. 1 point lead, 44-43. Wow! Number 1, babawi. Number 22, 3-pointer. Back shot. 46-44. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 3 points. Orange. 49-44. 1, 2 points. 46-49.
Nakanyoko.
1 minute 23 seconds. 46-49. Tatlo lang, tatlo. Next game natin, yung mga una naglaro kanina. Foul. 1 minute and 1 seconds. Tatlo lang, tatlo. 53 seconds. 3-pointer. Short. 47 seconds. Number 22. Turnover. Katya. Aliwat no good. Madrigal. Showtime. Wow! Sobrang daming moves na na. Yes, sir. To number 18. No good. 20 seconds. 19. 17 seconds. Aliwat, no good. Number 22. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2,